Hey, what's up, everybody? I know a lot of you are having questions about how to edit your projects while you're at home, and some of you only have phones or Chromebooks or that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you the program that I recommend for editing on that kind of computer. And this works on any computer. I'm doing this on my Mac, and it works just fine too. So. Um, First thing you want to do is get your videos uploaded to a Google Drive. So you should know how to do that. If you don't, just look it up. Uh, that's something you should know how to do. So I've got all these video files in a Google Drive folder called Puppies Videos. Um, Next thing I'll want to do, if this is only if you're editing on a Chromebook, if you're using your phone or any other normal computer, then you're fine as is. But all of these videos were recorded on my phone, and you see it's recorded in .mov format. And for some reason, when I tried to edit these using a Chromebook, the Chromebook wouldn't recognize these .mov files. It only recognizes .mp4s. I don't know why that is, but so if you're using a Chromebook, once you've got these uploaded, or before you upload them, either way, you just need to rename it. You don't have to go and convert it or anything. Just right-click on this, go rename, and change this MOV to MP4, like that. And just do that with any video that you want to use while you're editing. Again, that's only if you're using Chromebook. You'll see I'm not going to do that with the rest of my videos, and I'll be fine. But if you're doing it with a Chromebook, it's only going to show up, only these MP4s will show up. Okay, next you go to this website, spark.adobe.com. Or if you're on your phone, then download the app. It looks like this, Adobe Spark Video app, because there are a few of them. We'll go here to the App Store. So it looks like this on the App Store. If you're on an Android phone, tough luck. They haven't made this for Android yet. But for iPhones or iPads, they've got this thing. Just don't confuse it with Adobe Spark Post, which looks like this. Adobe Spark Post. This one's for doing graphics, pictures, that kind of stuff. But on the website, they're all the same thing. So spark.adobe.com. Start now. And here it's going to ask me to sign in, and you want to go over here to the right, log in with school account, because you have a school account that lets you do this for free. I think a lot of the stuff is free anyway, but this just gives you the full version. There's no restrictions on it if you use your school account. So I'm going to log in here, hit continue, and then this part's important. Make sure down here choose company or school account, not personal account, company or school. And then it does its little authenticate thingy. And now we are, well, need to choose that again, and it might make you put in your password again if it's the first time you've done it. So let's hit this. We're going to make a video. And I'll just type in the name of this, Puppies Video. And here you can choose one of these templates. Doesn't really matter. This is if you know already what kind of video you're making. You're teaching us something, or you're making an invitation to an event, or you can make up your own. So I'm just going to go with this, make up my own. Okay, here are some quick tips. So this video will show you the basics of how to get started. All right, so I would watch that. That's what I did. That's how I learned how to do this. But since I've already watched it, don't need to again. So here we've got our page. It starts us out with a blank screen, and then just this blue screen that where you can put videos or pictures. Over here you've got your layout, so by default it's on full screen, but if you want to have a split screen where you can have two different things on the screen, you can do that. Or if you want a caption thing, I don't know. So I'm just going to go with this full screen, and then let's choose video. Puppies videos, there we go. So let's just, you can only choose one at a time. Okay, let's see what this video is. Oh, look at that.
Stuck in the drain.
Puppy's getting a bath. Okay, so by default it plays 3 seconds of this video, and over here you can choose how long you want this video clip to last. Maximum is 30 seconds. There are ways around that, so if you know you want to show like 2 minutes of one thing, that's fine. I'll show you how to do that later, but for now, let's say I want, so this is 8 seconds of this. Let's get it down to 5, okay? You can move that around to choose which part you want, and then let's hit save. All right, now our video is in there. Okay, let's add another video. Just hit this plus button. It puts one after where I was, and let's put another one in here. I have not looked at these beforehand, don't have them memorized, but I know they're all puppies.
Doggy.
So this one, I don't want the beginning of this
Good
because it
doggy.
doesn't start on him, so I'm going to trim that a little bit, find the part I want,
Okay.
and let's make it last a little bit longer so we can see him run off into the distance. Oh. Actually, here's what let's do. I just want to see this one and then cut to this other shot. How about that?
Okay.
Okay, hit save. All right, now we've got that one. Let's see if we can, here we go, duplicate. Since I want the, just another part of that same video, and I don't want to have to go through that whole list and try and find the same video again, I'm just going to duplicate this one. And then let's go here to edit. Click the scissors and I can trim it. And now here I can move this to this other part of the shot where we see the other dog running in. What's that dog doing? Save. Okay. Now we've got those 3. Let's add one more and then we'll call it good for this. So video, and don't know what this is. Let's try this out. Oh, look at that. Adorable. Okay. Well, there's got to be better parts. There we go. Yeah. I want this part of her trying to bug the other dog. Okay. We'll call that good. All right. So when you're doing this, you're going to want a lot more than just 4 short video clips. And I think the total of this is going to be like 20 seconds long. Let's go to the beginning and hit play. Oops. No. That just played that one video. If we go here and hit play. Okay, so that's what it looks like at this point. Then you notice there was music playing in there by default. We can change that, and because of that, it also made the audio quieter. Can you hear that? Like the audio of the video of the dogs is like half as loud as normal. So if you want to change any of that stuff, all you have to do is you select the clip and you go up here to edit, sound, to see how it's on soft. So if you wanted it at the full volume, just choose loud. And now
But you guys.
we hear it at the full volume along with the music. If we don't want the music, just go over here. Here's where you can adjust the volume of the music, or you can just turn it off, or you can choose which song you want, or if you have your own song, you can click that, upload something. But it's got a few of these you can choose from. It's also got this microphone. Should I try recording this? I've never done this before. Let's try it. Okay, I'll allow that. Do I have to hit it again? Press and hold here while speaking. Okay. This is a puppy getting a bath. And there's my family giving the puppy a bath. What a great thing to be doing. I don't know. Nice work. You can record as many times as you want. Let's listen.
But you guys.
This is a puppy getting a bath. And there's my family giving the puppy a bath. What a great thing to be doing. Don't know why it paused like that on the video. I wonder, wonder if it only lets you record during that clip. Let's see. Here's Kiki playing out in the snow, and there's Zelda running behind her. Here's Kiki playing out in the snow, and okay, that's weird. What happens if we play it from here? Okay, so you can see, since before I recorded the voice, this video only lasted for 5 seconds or whatever. So since my voiceover lasted longer than that, it just paused on that last frame. So I guess that's the trick of that. You want to, I wonder if I can go here and edit this, make it last longer. Oh, trim to as long as the voice is. Hey. Okay, got it. Save. There are obviously limitations to this. It's hard to have the audio of one video playing during another video or anything complicated like that. But you can also add titles in here. So if I click this plus button, we can add some text to it. Just type it in here. Kiki and Zelda. There we go. Or we can move that around if we want it somewhere else. Hey, and it kind of prevents you from moving it too far on the sides of the screen. That's handy. But does it automatically align it in the middle? No, you got to eyeball that stuff. Oh, look at that. It just put it right in the middle for you. Wow. Okay, smart stuff. Let's put some text here. Making friends. You can make it bigger, smaller. So slick. Okay, and then it ended with this thing. Just a blank blue screen. We could get rid of that one. And then here we have credits. Add your own credits. Created with work by the. Then once we've finished the whole thing, it also comes with this outro, which you can turn on or off. Customize outro slide. Add your own logo if you've got that kind of stuff. So, you know, if you're making these for this YouTube channel that you're making, might want to have a logo for your channel, and then you can just add that to the end of each of your videos. That's a cool feature. All right. So once you're finished, you can click this share button, but this will just publish it to like Adobe Spark's website. So kind of like there being their own YouTube, you know. So I think instead you want this download. Create a branded hashtag. And look at that. It's downloading. 7 megabytes. That is nice and small. Click that, open it. Let's see what we got.
But you guys.
This is a puppy getting a bath. And there's my family giving the puppy a bath. What a great thing to be doing. Here's Kiki playing out in the snow, and there's Zelda running behind her. Okay, not bad for 2 minutes of work. there's our video, and then you can that thing will automatically be here in your downloads folder. There it is, Puppy's video. And then you can, actually I don't know where it goes on a Chromebook. Maybe Chromebooks have downloads folders. I don't know, but it'll be somewhere. And then you upload that to your YouTube account, and then share the link to me, and that's it. Piece of cake. So have fun playing around with Adobe Spark and seeing what you can do with this. And we'll see you guys next time.